for receiving us at Seed Group. So yes, my name is Francois Guirec-Champoiseau. I'm 43 years old and I started Cureety in 2018 with my co-founder Hugo Bretteviller. And what we wanted to tackle is the fact that cancer care organizations are facing more and more patients having cancer, and cancer is becoming a chronic disease. It's becoming a chronic disease because we have more and more innovative treatments coming to the market, which have a great impact on patient survival and patients' quality of life, but brings along the way more and more patients to treat because they become treated on the long run. And we wanted to help healthcare organizations to face that issue, to help manage more and more patients and to help organize the life of patients living with cancer. Yeah, so how does it work? Basically, we try to help healthcare organizations to become proactive, while today they are very reactive to patients' health status. Let's say that without remote patient monitoring, the doctors and nurses are visiting patients on a regular basis, and they wait for entrant phone calls where patients say they have troubles entering the treatment, managing their side effects. And what we aim to do with Cureety is to help these organizations to be proactive toward patients by interrogating patients on a regular basis on their symptoms, on their quality of life, and their therapeutic adherence. And by doing so, we help them to be more proactive when the patient is enduring side effects that can be mitigated and that can be alleviated thanks to proactive care management. So that's the main mission of Cureety, helping these healthcare organizations to be more proactive rather than reactive, and helping patients to cope with potential severe side effects very rapidly, so that we can avoid hospitalization, treatment stop, and of course improve patient survival in the end. The technology we have developed at Cureety is a software medical device. Basically, it's a software that is following a very rigorous framework on a regulatory basis because it's embedding a lot of medical content. I was saying earlier that we help patients manage side effects of their treatment. We have more than 150 questionnaires for very various treatment class approaches that are available in onco-hematology. What we do is with this software medical devices that we embed in this software a lot of medical content that are specific to the treatment that is received by the patient. So the process to develop such a software is very regulated, and we propose this application for the patients and for the caregivers, which are the nurses and the oncologists. Our primary focus, as our company has been built in France, was Europe, and we started the company in France back in 2018. But very fast, very rapidly, we aim to propose our software, our medical software, to a very large number of healthcare organizations internationally. And we expanded to Spain back in 2020, thanks to a partnership with a big pharma industrial. And shortly after that, we expanded to Italy. So we have a network of partners that is European-based for now. And last year, we decided to partner with Seed Group, as we consider the Middle East region as a very strategic development phase for our young company. And partnering with Seed Group has been very natural for that. Yes, at Cureety, in fact, yes, we say we always work with two legs. It's quite common in healthcare, of course. When you want to have an impact on the organization of healthcare, you also want to have an impact on research. So basically, with this software, what we do is that we help improve the care organization for oncology patients and oncology teams. But we also collect very specific type of data that is called patient experience data. This patient experience data is helping researchers, healthcare organizations and pharma industrials to better understand what is the burden of the disease for patients that are receiving innovative treatments. So what we aim to do is to help healthcare authorities, researchers, pharma industrials better understand the burden of disease of patients that have cancer treatments. And doing this thing is, of course, very necessary to improve research, because if you have innovative treatments that provide very poor quality of life, it's less interesting than having innovative treatments that are, of course, very beneficial for the patients on quality of life and on the survival side of things. So that's what we aim to do. We aim to work with healthcare organizations, healthcare authorities, and researchers and pharma industrials to really improve the way we understand the efficiency of innovative treatments, and we can do so by collecting this very unique type of data on a routine care basis using Cureety platform.